This is a game of blob, and I'm on the hunt for Spike right now. I can see him coming down past the Alamo. I gotta be cautious because I don't want him to see me coming up behind him. I think Steve-O has now spotted Spike as well, and Spike's walking straight towards him. I didn't really want to shoot, but he was getting pretty far away from me.
Hey.
Well, this is bad for me, because now I got to get them both.
Felt like over here, hikes. Probably green, probably across the road.
Okay, I was in a bad spot. There's 2 on 1, and I also have a guy coming up behind me, so I could not stay there.
Oh. Yeah.
I have to keep an eye on the guy behind me. He's up behind the Alamo, moving towards me.
So Daddy's going left, he got up.
I try and take off and make a run to my right, but they catch me. Steve-O just spotted the other guy coming up behind us. Stay down behind me. Okay. You want to move up to that tree or go back?
You move up.
That kid Someone is right on the hill. Our two teammates got shot going on the hill, so we're coming up to revive them. There's someone right on the other side. Oh, I'm out. I think we just shot each other there. We'll be ready to tag me in. Shoot right through your legs. He's at the next tree up, Mike. Oh, sorry.
You got him dead?
Oh, I see it. We found a claymore that Graydon left for us.
I think Rocco said it all.
Rocco got another claymore. He usually does that. He runs around and gets them all. And we just got Graydon, so that's the end of the game. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.